Example of this practice problem set 2. Mr. Dinesh owned the agricultural farm at the village. The length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice the breadth. He dug the square shaped pond in the field. The side of the pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm, and the area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. Find the length and breadth of the farm and the side of the pond you have to find out. Then what is given that you have to see. You have to draw the diagram. This is the agricultural farm he purchased, he owned. This is the breadth, this is the length, and on that, for the rain harvesting, he made the pond, but that pond is of the square shape. Farm is of the rectangle in shape and the pond is of the square shape. And the relation between the breadth of the pond, length of the pond, breadth of the agricultural land, length of the agricultural land, and the side of the pond is given. First of all these things are compared with the breadth of the pond, breadth of the agricultural farm. So what you have to do, this is the breadth, this breadth is compared with this length, and this breadth is compared with side of the pond. This pond is of the square shape and this agricultural farm is of the rectangle in shape. See, so all these things are compared with breadth of the agricultural farm. So I will consider the breadth of the agricultural farm be x meter, and the relation of this breadth and the length is given. The length of the agricultural farm is 2 times the 10 more than 2 times the breadth. So I will say that you have to read like this. The length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice the breadth. So I will say that length of the farm is 10 meter more than 10 meter. This plus means more than 2 times breadth or twice the breadth, like that you have to say. So I will put the value of breadth. 2 multiplied by x plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 10. So length of the farm will come 2x plus 10 meters. Breadth of the farm will come x meters. And the relation between this breadth and the side of the pond is given. This pond is of the in square shape. So they are saying that side of the pond is equal to 1/3 into breadth of the farm. Breadth of the farm is x. At that time this will come x/3 meters. Means try to understand that this is the breadth x. This is the length of the farm. This length is from this place to this place. This is the side of the pond, x/3. This is x/3. This one is also x/3. This one is also x/3. And this one is also x/3. After that, one condition is given. The area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. Area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond, means first of all this area you have to find out first. First of all, area of the rectangular farm you have to find out. So I am saying that this is the length, this is the breadth of the pond, this is the length of the pond. From that you have to find out the. So I will say that breadth of the field will be x meters, length of the field will be 2x plus 10 meters. Area of the field is equal to, area of the field means area of the farm is equal to, the farm is of the rectangle in shape, so you have to say that length into breadth. So this is the length, 2x plus 10 multiplied by breadth is x. So you have to use the distributive law. 2x multiplied by x is equal to 2x square. The 10 multiplied by x is equal to 10x. Then the area of the field will come 2x square plus 10x. This is the area of the field. I will say that this will come in meter square. Then side of the pond you have to find out. Side of the pond is equal to 1/3 times 1/3 times breadth of the farm. So you have to say that 1/3 multiplied by x. 1/3 multiplied by x is equal to x/3. From that you have to find out the area of the pond. Area of the pond is equal to, I will say that this pond is of the square shape. Area of the square is equal to side into side. So I will say that side into side, x/3 into x/3 is equal to x square upon 3. 3s are 9 meters square. Means this is the area of the field. This is the area of the field. This is the area of the pond from 1 and 2. you have to say that area of the farm is equal to 20 times the area of the pond. So area of the farm is equal to 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20 times the area of the pond is x square upon 9, because this area is x square upon 9. So you have to do the product. 20 multiplied by x is equal to 20x square upon 9. You have to transpose this divided by 9 this side. That becomes multiplied by 9. Now you have to use the distributive law. 9 2s are 18x square. 9 10s are 19x is equal to 20x square. All the these terms you have to shift that side. At that time this a plus 18x square becomes minus 18x square, plus 90x become minus 98 90x. This 20x square minus 18x square is equal to 2x square minus 90x. 2x square minus 90 is equal to 0. You have to, here third term is not given. So what you have to do, you have to write in the product form and you have to take out the common terms. So I will write this 2x square as 2 multiplied by x minus 90x. I will write this as 2 multiplied by 45 multiplied by x is equal to 0. From that you have to take out, from these two terms you have to take out 2x common. If the 2x will come common, 2x will come common. At that time x minus 45 will remain. Then you have to equate these factors with 0. 2x is equal to 0 and x minus 45 is equal to 0. You have to transpose this to that side. Multiplied by 2 becomes divided by 2. 0 upon 2. X is equal to 0 will come. You have to transpose this minus 45 that side. Minus 45 becomes plus 45. X is equal to 45 will come. But x is not equal to 0 because length breadth will not come in 0. So x breadth will not come in 0. So x is not equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 45. Therefore breadth of the field is equal to x is equal to 45 meter. Length of the field is equal to 2x plus 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 45 plus 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 90 plus 10 is equal to 100 meter. And the side of the pond is equal to 1 upon x upon 3. X upon 3 means 1 upon 3 multiplied by x, otherwise 45 upon 3 is equal to 15 meter. In this way you have to solve the problem. What is given, that you have to try to understand. The agricultural field is given, that one is of rectangle in shape. The comparison of this length and breadth are compared with each other. Then length is 10 meters more than 2 times breadth. If I will consider breadth as x, at that time length will come to x plus 10. And in that they dig a square pond and the side of the pond is 1 upon 3 times breadth of the farm. This is the breadth of the farm. 1 upon 3 multiplied by x is equal to x upon 3 meters. And the area of the field is compared with the area of the pond. So I will say that area of the farm is 20 times area of the pond. According to that you have to find out the area of the field, area of the pond. You have to put the value and you have to solve the example. I think you understand these things properly. You have to write these things in the book. Thank you.